Hi, this is Taylor Libinati, and today we're going to draw an easy teepee. So to start out, we want to form out the basic shape of the teepee, which is, of course, a triangle. And we're going to make the height of the triangle obviously much taller than the width, and just very lightly rough out where you want the shape to fall into. But then at the bottom, at the base of our triangle, we're going to curve it off to give it a three-dimensional shape. And there you can start to see where our teepee is going to form. So from there, we need to decide where we want the doorway of the teepee. I'm going to have mine a little to the left, and to mark where that's going to be, I'm just going to make a smaller triangle. Ta-da! And you want the tip of the triangle to somewhat be pointing to the top of your other one. Because as a teepee is laid out, you can follow this line of your doorway all the way up to give an extended fabric. I can see that this line is a little off, so I'm going to follow this up. And as you start to form out your shapes, never be afraid to erase and try new shapes. So, now that we kind of see where that doorway is going to fall, we can start to darken our line. At the top, I'm going to give a slight curve that flows into the boundaries of the teepee. And same on the other side. And what these two triangle peaks are going to do are going to create a small opening where we can show some wood pieces extending. Follow this line down. There we go. So now to define the door, we're going to go ahead and erase the line where the opening would be and give some slight depth to this little entrance. If you want, you could define what was in the teepee, but for right now we're just going to shade it off and give a closure to it. Okay, and then from the top of the doorway, we're going to extend these triangle peaks to show a line of intersecting fabric. And then, finally, the base. Okay, and now you can go ahead and erase your guidelines from before. And now we have the basic form of the teepee. What's needed now to give it some life is any kind of pattern that you want, really. Some easy ideas for texturing is a simple triangle pattern, or possibly circles. Really, whatever you want it to be. And you can go ahead and fill those in with different shades. Maybe make some of them darker. And from that, you have an easy teepee. This is Taylor Libinati, and that was how to draw an easy teepee.